In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook. This integration can significantly enhance your workflow by allowing email tracking, managing contacts, and keeping communication aligned all in one place. Let's walk through the steps together to set this up smoothly. First, let's start by navigating to HubSpot. When you're logged into your HubSpot account, you'll want to locate the Marketplace icon. This icon is typically found in the top menu of your HubSpot interface. Go ahead and click on this icon. This will take you to the HubSpot Marketplace. Once you're in the Marketplace, look for the HubSpot Marketplace section. This area is designed to help you find and integrate tools that can enhance your HubSpot experience. Click on it to proceed further. You will now be provided with a search bar where you can easily find integrations by typing in specific keywords. In the search bar, type the word Outlook. This will help narrow down the results to integrations related to Microsoft Outlook. Once you hit enter, you should see a list of Outlook-related options appear on the screen. The integration we are interested in should be there and clearly labeled. Next, you'll want to click on the Outlook option. This will take you to a dedicated page for the Microsoft Outlook integration. This page will provide more details about what the integration entails, including its features and benefits. Take a moment to review the information to ensure it meets your requirements. Now that you're familiar with the integration, locate the Install button on this page. Clicking Install will initiate the integration setup process. It's a straightforward process, and HubSpot shall guide you through each step with clear prompts. After clicking Install, a new window will open up prompting you to complete the installation process. You'll need to follow these on-screen prompts carefully. These prompts might include signing into your Microsoft account to authorize the integration. Make sure you have your credentials ready for sign-in to avoid any interruptions. Once you've completed all the prompts, the integration will start to install. It may take a few moments, so just be patient. This integration will allow HubSpot to work seamlessly with your Outlook, allowing you to track emails, access CRM data, and manage contacts efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully integrated HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook. This integration is essential for streamlining your operations and maintaining a better organized system for emails and customer interactions. Keep exploring more integrations in the HubSpot Marketplace to make sure you're getting the most out of your CRM tools. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating!